deadly virus has struck again in the Democratic Republic of Congo, sending shockwaves through communities and reigniting fears of a major health crisis. 15 people are already dead, and the numbers could rise fast. Families are grieving, and the sense of urgency is growing by the hour as health officials scramble to contain the outbreak. So, what's really happening in Congo right now, and why should you care? The answer goes beyond borders, because outbreaks like this can have ripple effects across entire regions and even the world. Let's break it down. Authorities just confirmed a new Ebola outbreak in Kasai province, a remote area in south-central Congo. This region is known for its difficult terrain and limited infrastructure, making it especially vulnerable when disease strikes. We're talking 28 suspected cases so far, and more than half haven't made it. 15 lives lost already. The numbers are climbing, and every new case puts more people at risk. Among those infected are 4 healthcare workers, which shows just how risky things are on the front lines. These brave individuals are putting their lives on the line to care for others, but even the best precautions sometimes aren't enough. Now, here's why this matters. Ebola isn't just any virus. It's one of the world's most feared infectious diseases, notorious for its rapid spread and devastating impact on communities. It spreads through direct contact with bodily fluids, think blood, vomit, even sweat from someone who's sick or has died. Everyday activities like caring for a loved one or preparing a body for burial can become dangerous if proper precautions aren't taken. Symptoms: fever, vomiting, diarrhea, and sometimes severe internal bleeding. The illness can come on suddenly, and it often progresses quickly, leaving little time for treatment. It's brutal, and the fatality rate can be over 50%. In some outbreaks, the death toll has soared even higher, making early detection and response absolutely critical. That's why even a handful of cases can explode into a crisis if not contained. The virus can move quickly through families, villages, and even across borders if left unchecked. So how are people fighting back? Congo's Ministry of Health isn't waiting around. They know from past outbreaks that speed and coordination are everything. They've sent rapid response teams, launched vaccination drives, and are working around the clock to trace contacts and isolate suspected cases before the virus can spread further. Public awareness campaigns are underway, with health workers going door to door and using radio broadcasts to educate people about symptoms and prevention. International partners like the World Health Organization are flying in supplies, protective gear, mobile labs, and over 2,000 doses of the Ebola vaccine ready for those most at risk. These resources are vital for protecting healthcare workers and stopping the virus in its tracks. Still, getting help to these remote villages is a huge challenge. Poor roads, heavy rains, and long distances make it tough to deliver aid quickly. Experts say early action is critical, but the remoteness of Kasi and limited healthcare access make this a race against time. Every hour counts, and delays can mean more lives lost. The Dutch WHO is pushing everyone in the region to stay alert and practice strict hygiene, like frequent hand washing and avoiding direct contact with sick people or their fluids. Community leaders are stepping up to reinforce these messages and help protect their neighbors. So, what can you do? If you're in or near affected areas, follow health guidance, wash your hands often, use soap and clean water, and make sure children understand the importance of hygiene. Avoid close contact with anyone showing symptoms, and don't hesitate to report any suspected cases to local health authorities, and listen to official updates. Staying informed can help you make the right choices and protect your family. Knowledge is your best defense. The more you know, the better prepared you are to respond and help others. Ebola is serious, but awareness and quick action save lives. Communities that work together and support each other have the best chance of overcoming outbreaks like this. Stay tuned, stay safe, and hit subscribe for more updates on global health crises. Together, we can stay informed and help stop the spread.